Hi, boys and girls. I'm so glad you're back with me today. Today, I thought it would be perfect to show you all a fun activity you can do at home that is also super helpful. And in this activity, we're going to work on math skills of sorting by color. So, children, today we're going to sort the laundry. But we're not just going to sort it, we have to spray it because our family, we're pretty messy. And so I like to spray all of our clothes before they go in the wash if they have stains. So everyone come around. I'm going to show you one time and then you guys are going to do it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to look at is, what color is this mostly, you guys?
White.
White. Did you guess that too? It has some blue on it, but it's mostly white. So we're going to sort this into the whites. Okay, Julie, and it has some kind of ucky stuff on the back. So will you spray that? Just one person at a time. Good. So as you can see, Juliana is also working on fine motor skills. She's strengthening her little hand muscles. Jax, just Jules. Okay, stop. Pause. Okay, that one's going to go in the whites. Okay, let's look at the next color.
Blue.
Blue. So will this go with the whites, the darks, or the colors?
Darks.
Ooh, we're having a debate. Please don't spray my arm. Stop. Thank you.
The darks.
We're going to do the colors because this is a light color. It's not black, right, or navy blue. So this one is going to go with the color. So go ahead and give it a spray if anything. Okay, stop. Good. And toss it in. Now in a minute, I'm going to just let you guys go for it. But there's something that sometimes when you get laundry, it'll be tucked inside out. Like we can't even tell if it's dirty. So you'll take your arm, watch. You're going to put it through and pull it back. And then you kind of shake it out to see. Oh, good. We got it. And now we can guess. Is this one going to be dark, white, or colors?
Dark.
Darks. You guys are right. And this one, I don't see any stains, so we can just drop it right in. Okay, Juliana, is this one a dark, a color, or a white?
Bella.
It's Bella's. It's a colors. So go ahead, Bella. You want to spray that one?
Yes.
Okay. Any stains? Good. You got them all? Perfect. Okay, now you guys come do it. Let's see. Let's see if that was enough of a lesson or if they're going to need some more help. We're going to watch. And boys and girls, this is a really fun activity. You can help your moms and dads do laundry at home too because I guarantee there's always a lot of laundry if you have kids.
I'm just spraying this off.
Perfect. Did it have any stains on it?
Yeah. Well,
It didn't. Okay, good. Oh, and I like they're really doing a nice job. So far, I see we're sorting it accurately. Oop, but we've got to work on our aim. Try that again. Try tossing it in. There you go. No. Oh, you want to spray?
Yeah.
Ask Bella. Say, can I borrow it?
This is dark.
That one is a color. There you go. I like how you're self-monitoring. Jax, now I noticed something. Shh. Here, Bella.
There's a sticker on it. And it's inside out.
Bella, let's let Juliana have a turn, please.
It's inside out.
Okay, that was exactly what I was going to tell you. Can you make it the right way? Okay, Jules, let's... Well, because you're spraying it at yourself, silly.
This has
Try
a
again.
stain. Mom, see this thing?
Oh, that does have a stain. Maybe you can ask Jax if you hold it. Maybe he can spray it.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's enough.
My dress?
Now put it in the right basket.
Where is the stain? Like,
Where does it go?
right here.
Oh, let's look at the colors, though. Look, is this one dark black, or does it go with the colors?
Blue. It's mine.
It's yours, so it's going to go in the color basket. Put it in the middle one, right there.
No, this has hair.
Thank you. And now, moms and dads, of course, this is going to take way longer to have your kids help sort laundry than if you did it alone, because if you did it alone, it would go fast. But by teaching your children, you're teaching them important life skills and self-help skills. And children like helping when they feel like they are active, contributing members of the family and like they have an important job. And if you do it when they're little, they think it's fun, versus if you wait till they're older, when we know it's really just chores, it's not as fun. So this is something you definitely can do as a family and make it, plan ahead learning activity. And just plan to know that it's going to take time. Okay, did we get it all?
Background.
Let's get that spot. Right there. Okay, how are we coming on our laundry? Are we almost done?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Mom.
That one's dark, so let's put it in.
Is this one?
Nope, what do you think?
What?
Colors,
I sprayed my neck.
Okay. Jax, where do you think that one's going to go?
This goes dark.
That one's a tricky one because it does have darks or colors. It could go on either. So since you said darks, we'll put it there.
Mom, look at this, so I know which one is this one. This one.
Yep. Okay, hold on. These pants, we don't need to spray because look, they're inside out. You have to fix that problem first. Oops, sorry, Belle. Sorry, Jules, are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why did you call it Belle? Then you called it Jules.
It or her?
Her.
Her. Okay, help me. Let's get the legs the right way. Push it through. Here, hold on to the edge. Juliana, hold on to the edge. Now pull your arm through. Pull your arm through. There you go.
That's a
And this don't have any stains, so just go ahead and throw them in the right basket.
I've got nothing that has stain.
Nice job, you got it. Nothing, no stain?
No stain.
Okay,
Oh
then-
yes, that's... Yay, something
Okay.
that has stain. Darks.
Does this one, Julie, let's check this one. Does it need to be sprayed?
Yeah.
Where?
And...
No, I think that one's good. You can put it in the right basket.
Oh my gosh, this has so much stains on it.
Oh my goodness, that one has a lot of stains on it. So let's do teamwork.
Has wet.
This one has stains on the front and back. I don't know how that happened.
This one has lots of stains. Can you turn it around?
Okay, we'll just spray them and then,
Stains this.
I think those are just the colorful eggs. Can you throw that one in the right basket?
No, there was stains
Okay,
on
I
it.
think that's good.
That was a stained shirt.
Yes, it was.
Mama,
Ooh, look,
this one.
yes, good.
Mommy, are you ready?
I am, am I ready?
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Well,
For what?
Potato.
Popsicle? You're gonna add a new activity to this?
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Here we go.
I'll spray it.
My hands are high, my feet are low, and this is how we popsicle. Spray, 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 spray. A little more.
Mom, here's dog, here's no dog, and here's...
If you haven't checked out Popsicle, you should definitely check that out. That is a fun song on YouTube. Can you go ahead and throw that in?
Mom, this is light, this is dog,
Oh,
this
try
is
again.
dog.
That's not the right basket.
Mom,
Well,
I can put this in any business.
I think it's like a rainbow, so maybe the colors. Okay. You know what? The napkins, I think that those are all brand new napkins, so you can just throw them in.
Okay.
Just throw them in the color one.
Color.
All right.
Mama, this is dog.
Try that one again. Oh, these are not clean. Okay, let's get a good spray on that one. Look at the baskets. Where does it go? Well, it's white. Can you find the other white colors?
This is white color. Ew.
Now look in the basket. Does that have white clothes? Does that have white clothes? Or does that have white clothes?
This doesn't have stains and it's dog.
That's right. So put that sock in with the whites.
So,
Careful.
that pink one is.
Oh my goodness.
What?
Does that go in that basket?
No. It's a dark.
No. Okay. How about this one? Where does this one go? Did you get something in your mouth?
Yeah.
Yeah, go rinse it out.
I found a small stain.
Go wash your hands.
Go wash your hands.
Wait. Mommy, try to get some
Just,
color.
I think that would go in darks. Yep.
This is where I chocolate. Oh, my favorite shot.
Okay, where does it go?
Anything that has dogs, it doesn't have stains.
Darks, yep.
I'm going to no.
Oh, here, there's one more. Belle, where does that one go? Okay, and I'm going to reach in. Since it's hard for you, I don't want you to fall. How about that one?
Oh, can I fall in?
No. Those ones?
This is one.
Okay, where does... Jax, can you, or Bella, can you make that the right way?
These are my dad's socks. And they're black.
Here, Juliana, can you fix this sock so it is the right
I'll take the
direction?
skeleton.
Okay, go ahead and reach your hand in
This super long sock.
and grab the end.
Should just be. Nope.
You have it?
This is.
And now pull it out. Okay, hold on to it
Come on, new
and
hand.
pull it out. There you go, teamwork. Okay, can you put that one in the right basket? Not that one.
Mommy.
There it goes. Okay, please put it in. Okay, just put it down. Okay, thank you. And I hope you enjoyed learning how to sort laundry with me today. Thanks.